The Gen Zs drink to get drunk, but not at drink to get drink.
Gen Zs are not drinking a lot of drinks to get drunk, but Gen Zs are drinking a lot of drinks at drink. DRMK. I got it. Hi, I'm Raj.
Hi guys, my name is Aryan and you are watching the co-founder of Drink. The love of creating beverages, of getting bored too easily, creating spaces is what kind of led to whatever you see at Drink, and that's what I executed and that's what attracted the Gen Zs. I didn't do it thinking that मैं Gen Zs को attract करूँगा. I did कि boss, I will do what I love and we'll figure it out. Creative people don't have a process.
Yeah.
So
we
don't
do what we feel
we just do
like.
what we feel like, because the problem with this industry is that people overcomplicate it so much, everything seems impossible. And the idea of that is just to do it so that it's the menu ideology was very simple. The root understanding is that some people want protein, some people want something hydrating, some people want to enjoy but with no guilt, zero sugar. Or sometimes you just want a classic drink. We've mentioned the calories just to kind of give an idea that nothing is unhealthy. And if you're coming for like a hangout, like a full vibe, then you can get the concept drinks, which is the Bas cheesecake latte, the tiramisu latte, the cinnamon toast matcha. This is like if Drink had a dessert menu, this is what would be in Drink. We keep on launching a menu every week. We make it for ourselves. If we like it, we make our team try it. If they like it, we launch it. There's no process. Two drinks which I've not made it at the menu is a pistachio coconut iced coffee, which is one
Kerala
of
latte.
I call it the Kerala latte because the coconut foam, and one of the team members I made it with, he's from Kerala and he loves coconut, so I called it the Kerala latte and we made it together. And the second one was the Kisan Jam iced latte.
That might make
That
it.
might make it.
To be creating a Kisan Jam butter toast coffee. I have already made it, but I'm going to show you what it looks like. So that's what it looks like. We've got a nice oat milk Kisan strawberry jam milk with double shot espresso, a nice biscuit almond foam, and cookie gum on top.
And the one product which was a weird drink which made it to the menu was a tiramisu latte.
Yeah.
It wasn't supposed to be put on the menu.
We were just experimenting it and we've tried 2-3 different versions that night. And then we just recorded a video and posted it. And it ended up going viral the next morning. So we were like, okay, now that it's gone viral, let's figure out how this product is made properly.
Yeah. Then, by the way, we launched on 19 July and we figured out the recipe on 19 July in the morning.
In the
The
morning.
tiramisu was sorted 2 days before.
The
Our
beverage
kitchen made
is
it.
what we figured
But
out.
the drink was sorted like
Yeah.
the day before, on the morning of the launch. The concept style drink apartment, all of this is derived by the idea of just being original and being as raw as we can. We'll create a space exactly how we would like it to be and we would stay in. Then later in time, we came up with the word of apartment. So we got a drink apartment and this is how our apartment would exactly look like. As a company, there's no I, it's only we. Because we all together.
We don't believe in wow offices.
Actually, like reality, the I was actually an SEO problem. So we're like, you know what, we gotta remove that. And then he just made a straw out of it. Under the end, if you see, there's a straw.
So people interpret it as an eye or a straw, and it can be done either way. People are choosing to come to a cafe as a hangout than going to a bar, right? So that's what the difference that we've seen, that we get a lot of footfall in the night as well.
We're probably like one of the only spaces in the country to have the highest amount of footfall after 8 p.m. for a
Yeah,
cafe.
like being a cafe, that's very unlikely, but we see that kind of pattern. We are planning to do this series in which we just document our entire days and we'll just post it raw so that people can see what do we
it's done
exactly
too much.
do in the day. And we just want to put content, like it does not have to make sense always, but we just like making videos and
Does anything we do make sense?
Yeah.
The only thing that should make sense is your customer feedback and your P&L. That's it. Guys, do whatever the you want.